Welcome to this video series where I will go through my pipeline of asset creation. I'll start off by talking about how I find inspiration and then go into how I use that inspiration to create kind of the base model here. So once I block this out, then I'm going to show you how I go and create various high poly objects. I'll walk through the whole process of high poly model creation. And then once we create the high poly objects, we will then start to dive into how we recreate that with a low poly so we can layer on bake high poly onto the low poly object. So after I go through the modeling the low poly, I will then discuss how we texture and unwrap our model so therefore we can then take it into Substance Painter to add the textures and the baking maps to it. In Substance Painter, I'll show you a number of different techniques I use for the materials, as well as how I create my own personal alphas and just a bunch of different things you can do in Substance Painter. After that, we will go into a rendering, and then we'll finally wrap it up with how we export out our textures for the game engine. I really hope you enjoyed this series and look forward to getting started.